done can't clown me, not to talk. Captain can't turn me round.
Norbit, you want the green card?
Yes, Pastor, I really want the green card.
Okay, go ahead and kiss your bride. I know pronounce you dead. I know pronounce you dead. It won't there.
One lick of chops?
What kind of chops? Come here.
A few moments later.
Please take time with me.
Pipe on the body.
Bumbo!
Day 2.
Make sure so when me come back in the house, the whole of my drawers them hand wash.
Me nah wash no rascal jazz.
What?
She did it again.
I want to your blood clot.
When the slip boy got a ill
Move
treat
on,
him. She defeat him. The man fight to the creep for the bleach. Again.
Respiration stop now.
Come here. You must have to wash your drawers them.
Alright, me go wash them.
Tomorrow.
No girl can run my head. Really no. Some boy have girl run them head. No girl can run your head. No girl can run.
The next day.
Respiration can teach me how to drive.
When you start wash your drawers them good, we teach you how to drive. Appear skid mark you left in my drawers them.
Me nah wash no.
3 weeks later.
I can't believe my green card no come yet. Hello?
Yo, Norbit, look how long they are foreign. I you not send nothing come a Jamaica, dog.
Dog, I should never know me there I go through now.
Dog, you not go through nothing. I hope Trump deport your pussy clock.
Hello?
12 o'clock midnight.
I wonder if Respucia asleep. Respucia? Look like she asleep. I wonder if my green card come.
Norbit, where you come from?
Respucia, me just go have a drink with my friend them.
You clean the house from morning?
Respucia, me never get fi clean because you left only a chicken bone under the bed. And you left only a biscuit wrapper under the couch. And stick up the whole of the bathroom sink because you hide and I eat donut in there.
You wash your drawers them?
Well, me did I try wash the white one them, but the yellow stain with up on the pum pum part, it really hard to come out.
Come here, house.
Respucia, we do that for?
Norbit, let me tell you something. You see them yellow stain the way sit on the front of my drawers? Bleach can't take you out of acid news like this.
God, Respucia, you fi beard.
Huh? And you see any day me see the yellow stain upon my drawers again. You now get a green card and me I send back a little rasa Jamaica. You hear me?
Yes, Respucia.
3:28 a.m.
You there work all day and me there home all day eat me one whole of cake and 4 pizza. And you come home and you knock the door and frighten me and the whole of the cake crumbs drop on the floor. Go on down there go clean up the whole place and make sure you don't come out until every single drawers wash.
You must be dreaming. Oh, girl, feel a bad man, but the house cleaning. Oh, girl, feel a man a clean from floor to ceiling. Oh, girl, forgive him my jacket and when him check and I feel him. Him a mother than a dreaming. Man a baller, he a change for no reason. In a mango, in a apple season. And that's why I make girl clown them out for weird.
Respucia, place a flood out, we carry the water thing.
Go watch your drawers them.
Girl, could I put it like a shanty? It's against the law for wash panty.
Many months later.
Me finally get my green card.
Norbit, where you go?
What? Respucia, leave me alone. I'm not hand washing no more of your dirty drawers.
How you talk? Give me the green card. Give me the green card.
Respucia.